Samsung is quietly preparing what could become one of the most important flagship smartphones in its history. Although the Galaxy S27 Ultra is still months away from its official unveiling, leaks and industry reports are already generating massive excitement. And if the latest rumors are accurate, Samsung may be planning some of the most significant changes we've seen in the Galaxy Ultra series since its introduction. What's particularly interesting is that these changes go far beyond simple hardware upgrades. The Galaxy S27 Ultra could represent a major shift in Samsung's overall smartphone strategy, potentially setting the direction for the company's premium devices for years to come. One of the biggest talking points surrounding the Galaxy S27 Ultra is its rumored redesign. According to multiple reports, Samsung may finally abandon the separate floating camera rings that have defined Galaxy flagship devices for several generations. Instead, the company is reportedly testing a completely new horizontal camera bar design. This camera bar would stretch across the upper section of the phone's rear panel, creating a much cleaner and more unified appearance. While the design itself would certainly help the Galaxy S27 Ultra stand out, Samsung may also have practical reasons for making the switch. One of the most common complaints among smartphone users today is camera wobble. Large camera bumps often make devices unstable when placed on flat surfaces. A horizontal camera bar could significantly reduce that issue, allowing the phone to remain much steadier during everyday activities like typing, video calls, gaming, or watching content on a desk. However, the new design has already sparked debate among smartphone enthusiasts. That's because Apple's rumored iPhone Air 2 is also expected to feature a horizontal camera layout. If Samsung adopts a similar approach, comparisons between the two companies will be unavoidable. Samsung has traditionally built its reputation on distinctive flagship designs, so some fans are concerned that the company may be moving too close to Apple's design language. Others argue that functionality matters more than originality if the new layout genuinely improves usability. Either way, the discussion is already underway long before the phone has even been announced. Beyond the design, Samsung is also rumored to be making major changes to the camera system itself. One of the biggest surprises is the possible removal of the dedicated 3x telephoto camera. Instead of relying on a separate zoom lens, Samsung may use its powerful 200-megapixel main camera to produce 3x zoom images through advanced sensor cropping technology. Because the sensor contains such a high resolution, Samsung believes it can maintain excellent image quality while simplifying the camera setup. At the same time, reports suggest that Samsung will introduce a brand new and more capable 5x telephoto camera. This upgraded zoom lens could deliver sharper photos, improved detail retention, and better performance across a wider range of zoom levels. If Samsung successfully balances hardware and software processing, users may enjoy better zoom capabilities while benefiting from a cleaner camera design. However, many photography enthusiasts remain skeptical. Dedicated telephoto lenses have long been preferred for consistent optical quality, so Samsung will need to prove that its computational photography can match or exceed traditional solutions. Another exciting rumor involves the introduction of built-in magnetic technology. Similar to systems already available on competing devices, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could feature internal magnets that allow accessories to align automatically. This would improve compatibility with wireless chargers, wallets, stands, battery packs, and other magnetic accessories. For many users, this would make everyday usage far more convenient. There is, however, one important challenge. The Galaxy Ultra series is known for its integrated S Pen, and magnets have the potential to interfere with stylus functionality. Samsung's engineers will need to ensure that any magnetic system works flawlessly without affecting writing accuracy, pressure sensitivity, or overall S Pen performance. Battery life could also receive a major boost this year. Thanks to the redesigned internal layout and more efficient use of space, Samsung may be able to fit a larger battery inside the Galaxy S27 Ultra. Combined with next-generation processors, improved cooling systems, and software optimizations, this could result in significantly longer battery life compared to previous Ultra models. For power users who spend hours gaming, recording videos, editing photos, and multitasking throughout the day, improved battery endurance could become one of the phone's strongest selling points. Interestingly, while the Galaxy S27 Ultra appears set for major upgrades, reports suggest that the standard Galaxy S27 may receive far fewer improvements. Some rumors indicate that Samsung could reuse several display and camera components from the previous Galaxy S26 generation. This has become a growing concern among Samsung fans, many of whom feel that the company is increasingly focusing its innovation on Ultra models, while offering only incremental upgrades for standard devices. There are also reports suggesting that Samsung may source display panels from BOE for certain Galaxy S27 models. While this could help reduce manufacturing costs, some consumers may question whether display quality and consistency will remain at Samsung's usual flagship standards. Pricing is another topic generating concern. Rising component costs across the smartphone industry could force Samsung to increase prices across its premium lineup. Unfortunately, Samsung isn't the only company facing this challenge. Several major smartphone manufacturers, including Apple, are also expected to raise prices on future flagship devices. As premium smartphones become increasingly expensive, consumers will demand more meaningful innovation in return for their money. And that's exactly why the Galaxy S27 Ultra is so important. Samsung must convince buyers that any potential price increase is justified through substantial improvements in design, performance, battery life, cameras, and overall user experience. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is shaping up to be far more than just another annual refresh. It could redefine Samsung's flagship strategy and influence the direction of the smartphone market as a whole. Whether it becomes a groundbreaking success or simply another evolutionary upgrade remains to be seen. But one thing is certain. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is already emerging as one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2026. What do you think about these rumored Galaxy S27 Ultra upgrades? Are you excited about the new design and camera changes, or do you think Samsung should focus on something else? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more tech updates.